So to make our flower, I'll be using this brand Yeye. It is 100% acrylic. It's quite thin. I'll be working with 2 strands to achieve a medium width thickness. So, and the hook size I'll be using is size 3.0 mm hook. So I have 2 pieces that I've done here, and I embellished it with this beautiful button. Look at that. So I'll be showing you quickly how to do this. So we are going to start with the magic ring, and this is how I do my own magic ring. If you have a better way, please go ahead and do it your way. So I'll place my yarn on my palm, and I'll grab the longer end, and I'll wrap it around my 2 fingers like this. I'll bring this to the back and hold it down with my pinky finger. Then I'll grab my hook, I'll slide right in, grab the yarn at the back, I'll make it twist like that, remove my fingers. Then I will go ahead and chain 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we have our magic ring, just like that. So into this magic ring, after chaining 4, we are going to work 4 treble crochet. So to work a treble crochet, you are going to yarn over 2 times. Yeah, so you go into your magic ring, you pull out a loop. Now you have 4 loops in total on your hook. So you yarn over, you put through the first 2, you have 3 loops. You yarn over, you put through the next 2. Now you have 2 loops left. You yarn over and pull through the last 2. So you are going to yarn over and pull through 3 times. So that's 1. We are doing 4 of this in total. So that's 1. Yarn over 2 times. You go right in, pull out a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. That's 2. Yarn over 2 times. You go right inside, pull out a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. That's 3. We have 1 more to go. Yarn over 2 times. You go right in, pull out a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through the last 2. So we have 4 in total. 1, 2, 3, 4. And after that, we go ahead and chain 4. Remember, we started with chain 4, so you chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. After chaining 4, you go back into the magic ring and make a slip stitch. So we just made our first petal. As you can see, we have 5 petals. So we are going to repeat this 4 more times. So you're always going to start with chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you will go ahead and work 4 treble crochet. Yarn over 2 times. You go right in, pull out a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So you just go ahead and repeat this until you have 5 of this in total. We have 1 already, so we have 4 more to go. So this is what I have. I have my 5 petals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have my chain 4, the very last chain 4. So I will go into the magic ring and slip stitch. After slip stitching, I will chain 1 and I will fasten off. So cut that off. See this magic ring tail? I'm going to pull that gently. I'll work my squeeze up, but we just try and spread that out to straighten it. So we don't want to pull too tight because we still need to work. We are working the outer part of our petals now. So I'm going to grab my pink yarn, which I'm using for the outer part. I'm going to make a slip knot on my yarn. Now I'll grab my petals or my flower. Now we'll go right in. I'll go in and I will go ahead and chain 6. So we are working on this outer part. That's where we want to do now. So I will chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So after chaining 6, we are going to work inside these petals. So you see this chain 4 that we have, we are going to skip it. So you move right here. You move to the first treble crochet, you work a double crochet. I'm sure you how to do the double crochet. You yarn over, you go into the next stitch, you pull out a loop. You have 3 loops. Yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over, pull through the last 2. So that's a double crochet. So we have 2. Into the next we have 3. Into the next we have 4. And into this chain 4 that we have on this side, we are going to work inside. the chain 4 here we are not working there, but the chain 4 at the end we are working there. Yeah, so we go in and work a double crochet there. So in total we have 5 double crochets. 1 2 3 4 5. And after that you go ahead and chain 6 again. 1 2 3 4 5 6. After chaining 6, you go right in and work a slip stitch. And after that, that's actually going to be the repetition. You chain up 6 again. 1 2 3 4 5 6. We are going to skip this, then we move into the first treble crochet. You go ahead with a double crochet. That's 1 2 3 4, and your fifth one is going to go right on top of this chain 4 that we have here. That's where the fifth double crochet will go. 5, and after that you chain 6 again. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Then you go into the chain, into your magic ring, and work a slip stitch. So that's just the repetition. We keep repeating this until we have all our petals done. So we go ahead and complete that. So this is my last chain 6. I will go into that magic ring and a slip stitch, chain 1, and fasten off. So you see that our magic ring tail, this is it. So we are now going to pull tight. Careful so that you don't break your yarn. So you can see that we have it completely closed. So right now you're going to straighten out your petals. I'm going to straighten that out just like that. So as you can see that we have our flower ready. Look at that beauty. It's so cute. Look at that. So you have your flower. You can decide to use this to embellish a hat, a shirt, a top, anything. As you can see, I added button to mine and I think it's cute. So that's all, and I hope you find it useful. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, drop a comment, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Check the channel. We have a lot of wonderful and beautiful tutorials on the channel that you might be interested in. So until next time, bye.